Alright, and it's Thursday the 29th, around noon. The rain arrived 2 days early. Of course, I wasn't prepared. Anyway, it sure did cool it off. I hope that Freddie's got him a dry spot. Freddie, are you in here somewhere? Sure hope you are. You're going to get wet if you're not. Let's see. Hey, Canoga. You okay, Canoga? I know Bob's under the lawnmower. Are you crazy? Are you crazy? Huh? You having fun? You're a regular kitty. You're not a wild kitty. You're a regular kitty. You're just having some fun, aren't you? Huh? You like the rain? It's cool.